guys, Breezy here once again. We are back in my HQ doing some modification on this wonderful Yamaha YZF R25. Today we're gonna do muffler change, or should I say slip-on muffler on this bike. So before we do this, hit the intro.
You think you know me?
Batang pasaway at lahat sasabay hanggang mamatay. Rosta dadaling ko hanggang mamatay. Di na pwede lumiko, di na pwede umatras, di na pwede lumiko. At lasing na pabilis na pabilis. Kapag tinopag na ako, di na pwede tumino.
So guys, today this will be the sound comparison between original muffler on a YZF R25 2021 model, and the pipe we're gonna check are, so these are the mufflers we're gonna try on this bike. It's an Aquaprovic and a SC Project Racing muffler. So before we do this, we're gonna do a sound comparison between a stock pipe and these two. Okay, go. So this is it, guys, the SC Project muffler. We didn't test the Aquaprovic because it's too big in here, then the owner don't like it, so this is it. So if you like this video, once again, please hit the like button, share. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Breezy out.